Hello, little scientists! Welcome back to Nasar's world. Have you ever tossed a rock into water and watched it sink, but then seen a giant ship carrying tons of cargo and it floats? How is that possible? Today, we're diving into the super cool science of buoyancy. Buoyancy is a fancy word for why some things float and some things sink. And it all comes down to a secret upward force called buoyant force. When you put something in water, the water pushes back up. If the object is light for its size, like this piece of wood, the water can't hold it up, so it floats. If it's heavy for its size, like this rock, the water can't push it up enough, so it sinks, like this. Let's be scientists and guess which one of these will sink or which one of these will float. Let's test them one by one. Hey guys, I have a tray of different things and let's see whether these things can sink or whether these things will float. So let's start with this new beautiful car. It's my brother's car and he loves this. So anyway, let's see if it sinks or it floats. Here we go, and whoa, it sank. Okay, let's do it another. Oh, a spoon. It looks kinda heavy. I think it will sink. So let's try if it will sink or float. Here we go, and it also sank, yes. And this is my brother's toy, and I think this will float. Let's see. And yay! It floated. Okay, what else we have here? What do we have here? Oh, a coin. Okay, let's see if it sinks or floats. Maybe it will sink. Yay! It sinks. Okay, this is one of my favorite fruits, apple. So let's see if it will sink or float. Okay, here we go. It floats. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, a lemon. I think I will drink a lemon juice after this video. Anyway, let's see if it will sink or float. Wow, it sank. No, it floated. Yeah, it's floating. Okay, what do you have here? This is a feather. Okay, let's see if it will sink or float. In my opinion, this would literally float because this is the lightest thing ever. Yes, it floated. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 things have been floated and 4 things also have been sank. Okay. See, it's not about being big or small. It's about whether something is heavy or light for its size. That is actually called density. But wait, if big things can sink, how do enormous ships stay afloat? It's because ships are mostly filled with air. Air is super light, so the whole ship isn't too dense. The water pushes up with more force than the ship weighs, so it floats. Alright crew, your turn! Grab a ball of water and find 5 things from around your house. Guess whether they'll sink or float. Then test your hypothesis. Write your results in the comments below. So remember, buoyancy is all about whether water can push an object up enough to float. If it's light for its size, it floats. But if it's heavy for its size, it will definitely sink. If you had fun today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Nasar's World, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, stay curious. Bye guys and have a nice day.